For years, all we've heard about is the incredible, world-changing potential of AI. But what happens when all that hype finally collides with reality? Well, today, we're going to cut through the noise and dive into the hard numbers and the real strategic shifts that are defining AI's actual economic impact. And just so you know where we're getting our intel, our whole explainer today is based on Chapter 9 of a big report, AI Industry Predictions for 2026, which was put out by Virtualization Options LLC. This chapter is great because it shifts the focus away from just speculating and really drills down into the real-world utility of AI. And that's exactly what we're going to explore. So, this really brings us to the central question, doesn't it? As we're living through 2026, is AI actually delivering that massive revolution we were all promised? Or are we facing a much-needed and maybe overdue reality check on what it can actually do for the bottom line? Yeah, this year marks a huge turning point. The whole conversation is pivoting. It's moving away from those futuristic, pie-in-the-sky promises and focusing, laser-like, on provable, measurable results. We are officially in the era of hard evidence. And, Stanford's Institute for Human-Centered AI, they just nailed it with this prediction. They called it a crucial shift moving from speculative hype to measurable economic impact. I mean, that's it in a nutshell. The days of just talking about AI's potential, they're over. Now it's all about proving it. Show me the money, right? So what does that value actually look like in the real world? Well, the good news is we're past the point of just guessing. We finally have enough mature AI deployments out there to see some really concrete, evidence-based results. So let's take a look at what the data is telling us. Okay, so across a bunch of different sectors, what we're seeing is that well-executed AI applications are delivering productivity gains somewhere in the range of 5 to 20%. Now look, these aren't those crazy 1,000% leaps you see in sci-fi movies. But let's be real. In the world of business, a 20% gain, that is a massive, game-changing advantage. And this chart breaks it down even further, showing exactly where those gains are popping up. If you look at specific business areas, you can see a 23% boost in how fast software gets developed, all thanks to AI coding assistance. Marketing campaigns, their performance is up 18%, and customer service efficiency has jumped by 15%. I mean, these are real, tangible improvements backed by data. But, and this is probably the most important part of the whole story, getting these kinds of results isn't as simple as just buying the latest AI software off the shelf. No way. There's a pretty significant catch here that really separates the companies that are winning from those that are falling behind. Here's the truth. The real value of AI isn't unlocked by the technology alone. Not even close. It's unlocked by the deep, sometimes difficult, organizational work a business does to actually integrate that technology. We're talking about fundamental change here, not just plugging in a new tool. To get those 5 to 20% gains, it really boils down to 3 concrete steps. First, you need deep organizational change in how your teams are even structured. Second, you have to thoughtfully redesign your core business processes to truly leverage what AI can do. And third, you need sustained long-term investment. This is a serious commitment, not some quick fix. Okay, so knowing all of that, what's the big strategic takeaway here? How do you, as a leader, and how do your teams prepare to move from just having AI to actually performing with AI? The report actually lays out a super clear action plan for leadership. The focus has to be on training your teams to actually measure the ROI of AI. You have to make decisions based on that evidence, not on marketing hype. It's about benchmarking your own performance against industry standards and, this is crucial, prioritizing that process redesign work to squeeze every drop of value out of your AI tools. It's a huge shift from just acquiring tech to truly mastering, which, leaves us with one final pretty powerful question. The era of just experimenting with AI is giving way to the era of AI implementation. The tech is here, but its true value is locked behind some serious organizational effort. So the question you have to ask is your organization ready for the real work?